In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create a motion blur effect using directional blur. Motion blur makes fast movement look more natural and cinematic. When something moves quickly in real life, your eyes see a slight blur. We're going to recreate that effect inside Premiere Pro. Let's begin. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for directional blur. Drag the directional blur effect onto your clip. Next, go to the effect controls panel. You'll see two main settings, angle and amount. Let's understand them properly. Angle controls the direction of the blur. If your subject is moving from left to right, set the angle to 0 degrees. If the movement is vertical, set it to 90 degrees. You can adjust the angle based on the direction of motion in your clip. Now, adjust the amount. As you increase the amount, the motion blur becomes stronger. For a subtle cinematic effect, keep the amount moderate. If you increase it too much, the clip will look overly distorted. Now let's make it dynamic. If you only want the motion blur during a fast movement moment, enable the stopwatch next to amount. Move the playhead to where the motion begins and set amount to 0. Move a few frames forward and increase the amount. Then after the motion ends, bring the amount back to 0. This creates a burst-style motion blur effect that appears only during movement. You can also slightly animate the angle if the direction of motion changes. Used correctly, motion blur adds speed, energy, and a professional touch to your edits. And that's it. You now know how to create a motion blur effect using directional blur in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.